Hi all, hope you have gone through the previous tutorial of for loop. So in this tutorial we are going to have a discussion on example of for loop and while loop. So first example for loop is to find the factorial of a number. So I think all of you know what is a factorial. So factorial of a number is the product of numbers from 1 to that particular number. So if we want to find the factorial of 4, we have to take the product from 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So let us check the program. So I have included the header files iostream.h, conio.h. So this iostream.h is a header file for input output function, and as I have used getch here, I have included conio.h. Now we are going for the main function. First statement is clear screen. To get the output screen clear, I'm initializing three variables here. I am using as loop control variable, n I am using it as a count, and initializing the variable fact to 1. In this variable I am storing the factorial value, so I am initializing it to 1. So next statement is enter the number, that is which number you have to get the factorial. If your number is 4, that is if you want to find 4 factorial, you have to enter 4. So that 4 will be stored in the variable n. Now see, this is our for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So this is the initialization expression, this is the test expression, and this is the update expression, and we have loop body. Okay, so initialization expression is I equal to 1. So I am taking the loop control variable as 1. Now the test condition is I less than or equal to n, whether the loop control variable is less than or equal to the number. Now the update expression is I plus plus, that is I will be incremented by 1. Now the loop body is fact is equal to fact into I. So let us see the logic. So initially I is equal to 1, right? So initially we have set fact as 1, right? So fact value is 1 now. Now is equal to fact into I. So I is 1, fact is also 1. So initially fact equal to 1, because 1 into 1, 1 is assigned. After this statement, what will it do? Update operation. So I is equal to 2. So when I becomes 2, it will again check whether I is less than or equal to n. So suppose n is 4, so 1 less than or equal to 4. Sorry, after 1 it is 2 now, so 2 less than or equal to 4, right? So again fact equal to fact into I. So fact was initially 1, so 1 into 2, 2. Again I is updated to 3. Again check operation, 3 less than or equal to 4, yes. So fact equal to fact into I. So 2 into 3, 6. Again update operation 4, where check whether 4 is less than or equal to 4. So 4 equal to 4, so it will execute. So fact equal to 6 into 4, 24. Again update operation. So I is now 5. When it checks I not less than or equal to 4, so it will exit from the loop. That is how this for loop executes, and we get the result store in fact as 24. So factorial, we will get a display in the output screen, factorial of 4 is equal to 24. Okay, so when you do this in CPP, you get the output as this. Enter a number. I have entered 5. A factorial of 5 is 120. So let us see one. A program to print sum and average of n numbers. Okay, so I want to write a program to find the sum of n numbers as well as average of n numbers. So why we are giving n numbers? If I want to find a sum of 5 numbers, I can give any 5 number. So after that, if I want to find the sum of 10 numbers, sum and average of 10 numbers, I can give n as 10. So we are using a general statement, or we are giving a random number n. So again, I have included two header files, iostream.h, conio.h. Then our main operations or main function opens. Now clear screen to get this output screen clear. So I am initializing how many variables, 1, 2, 3 and 4 variables. N is used for the storing the count. Now M, I am getting the number stored in M. Sum is for storing the result, and I am using it as loop control variable. So first I am asking enter the count, that is for how many numbers you want to find the sum or average. C in n, so that number is stored in n, variable n. Now I am starting the for loop here. This is a initialization expression, this is a text expression, this is a update expression, and this is a body of loop. From this bracket to this bracket includes the loop body. Now see, for I equal to 1, so initializing the loop control variable as 1, I'm asking enter the number. So the count is stored in variable n, right? So I have to check whether it has reached the count n. So if I want to find the sum of 5 numbers, each time I will be checking whether the loop control variable value is less than or equal to that count, and after that it will be incremented by 1, because if I want to find sum of 5 numbers, I have to execute this 5 times. So it is similar to previous loop. So let us see what is the loop body. So enter the number C in M. I am receiving the number in M. Now sum value is stored in the variable sum. So sum equal to sum plus M. So each time a variable or number is entered, the value is stored in the variable sum. So sum is stored in sum, and in order to find the average, we have to what we have to do, sum by total number is the average. Okay, so once this loop executes, the sum will be stored in sum. So after that, we will print the sum is sum and average is sum by n. So if we do this program in a CPP editor, we get this. Enter the count 4. So enter the number. It will be asked 4 times because we have given it in the loop. So I have given the numbers 2, 4, 8 and 10. So I got the output as sum is 24 and average is 6. So next loop statement is while statement. Okay, so today we are going to have a discussion on while loop. The first point is that it is an entry control loop. So in that last tutorial, we have discussed what is the difference between entry control loop and an exit control loop, right? So while loop is an entry control loop. So why it is called entry control loop? Because test expression is evaluated before entering into the loop. So see the syntax of while statement. We are writing the keyword while, then within bracket we are writing the test expression, and with we have the body of the loop. Now the update expression we are writing within the body of the loop. Okay, within the body of the loop we are writing the update expression. So this is the syntax of the while loop. See the flow chart. We have an initialization expression where we will be initializing the loop control variable. Then we have the test expression. So when the test expression evaluates to true, we will execute the body of the loop and we will be updating the loop control variable. When the test expression is false, we will be exiting from the loop. So this is the syntax of the while loop. So let us see an example for the while loop. So this is an example to print a sum of first n natural numbers. So I have included the header files and we are opening the main function. Clear screen. See, I am declaring three variables I, n and sum. I am using as loop control variable, n to find n natural numbers. So how many numbers I have to give, that count is stored in n and sum is stored in the sum. So first statement, enter the limit, that is up to what number I have to find the sum. Okay, so if I am giving the limit as 5, I will get the result as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If I am giving the limit as 6, I will be getting the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So if I am in the example I am giving n as 3, I should get the result as 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So initializing sum as 0 and loop control variable as 1. So while I am giving the test condition here, while I less than or equal to n. So I am giving n as 3 and I is initialized to 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 3. So it will go to the loop. Here sum equal to sum plus I. Sum is initially 0. So 0 plus 1. So I got the value 1 stored in the variable sum. See the update operation I plus plus. Okay. The semicolon is missing. There will be a semicolon here. So after that it will again go to test expression. Okay, so now the value of I is 2. Again 2 less than or equal to 3. So sum is in now 1. So 1 plus 2 and will give 3 and I now becomes 3. So while I less than or equal to 1, 3 less than or equal to 3. So again sum is now 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So after that I plus plus. So now I is 4. But here when the test expression comes, it is false. So exit from the while loop. So after that we will print the output sum of natural numbers. Sum of the natural numbers is sum. So that is the use of while loop in this program. So this is the output. Enter the limit. I am giving as 8. So I will get the output as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 as 28. You are thorough with this while statement. So in the next tutorial we will be looking on do while statement. Thanks for watching.